Looking for an exciting career in the culinary world? Australia is home to world-class hospitality and culinary programs. Studying commercial cookery in Australia means hands-on experience, access to expert chefs, and a pathway to a rewarding career. After completing your studies, you can apply for a TSS visa or a skilled worker visa, which can lead to a permanent residency. These visas are specifically designed to help skilled workers fill roles that are high demand across the country. Many students go on to secure full-time employment in Australia's vibrant restaurant scene, with chefs being in high demand in both major cities and regional areas. Your experience can fast-track your visa and bring you one step closer to making Australia your permanent home.